Hello everyone. In this short video, I will explain to you how to convert your data from KML or KMZ file that you got from Google Earth to be able to visualize them in a Power BI file. So this is a tool which I created using Python that parse the data from the KML or the KMZ file and put it in a spreadsheet Excel. This Excel sheet, you can link it easily to Power BI and visualize your data there and see everything exactly you see it in Google Earth. So let's start from scratch. So first of all, I will start here with Google Earth. So let's consider that we have a project that contains of 2 lines and 1 point, and I want to see that in Power BI in order to see the progress in each of them, or to see the completion date, or filter them somehow, linking them to Primavera, whatever it is, using activity coding, whatever it is, whatever methodology I'll be using. I need to see the data for each line also in Power BI, like the line weight, the length and areas and everything. So what I will do, I will go to File and I will export it as a KML. Once I export it as a KML file, I will go here to my code and I will run this code. Once I run the code, I will get this. Let me run the code together. So once we run the code, we will get this interface. First thing I will do, I will browse and I will select the file that we have just exported. Here it will suggest for me that I will keep the same path. I can change it if I want to. Here I have these 3 options. First option is to unpack coordinates into separate rows. This is recommended if you are using it for Power BI. So I will keep it checked. It will actually create a new Excel sheet. This Excel sheet will have all the information, coordinate X, coordinate Y, which is the longitude and the latitude, which you will need for the map. So first one we will keep. Second one is to create a new Excel sheet also. This Excel sheet, it has all the attributes regarding the lines, the start point, the end point, the midpoint, the length, the line weight, all the information that you are looking for in the line, it will be in that sheet. If you are only using points, there is no need to check this one. The last one is to include the individual points in the line segment sheet. So the second one, which we created here, if you are only dealing with lines, there is no need to check this one. If you are dealing with both points and lines, then you can check this one as well. So in my case, I have both lines and I have also points. So I will keep the 3 of them checked. Once I make everything ready, I will just process the file. It will show me here that it's successfully done, and just tell me whether I want to open the location. If I click yes, it will open the location here. So what I will do here, I will go to transform data and I will change my settings for the source to be the file which we just created, which is this file. Once I choose that file and I click OK and I click close and I click refresh, so here I can see the line, first line, and I can see the second line, and I can see the point. Everything is visible. This is using a visual called route map, which is free, so doesn't have a license or anything. So this, and I can zoom in, I can zoom out, I can do whatever I want. If I used this one, which is the map or the ArcGIS, it will look somehow like this. So this has been developed using the ArcGIS. You can see here, it's showing here as just points. So, and here this one, this is also the ArcGIS, and this one is the map. This one is the map. Also, you can see here, it also shows more information, but still the same problem. I can see here, this is first line, this is second line, but it shows as point. That's why I tend to use this visual so you'll be able to see the root, and you can change all the things that you want from the formatting, how to format, like instead of Arial you want to see it like color, or you want to see it gray, whatever you want to see. So all these options are available, so you can choose the best option that will suit you. But the best thing here, all the lines will be there and linked with that Excel sheet. If I made any change to that file, the only thing I will need to do after I made the change, I will export it, export the new file, and I will run the code and replace the Excel sheet and link it. It will be, all the changes will be reflected automatically. So I hope this tool is, I hope this tool you'll find it useful, and I'll be sharing it along with the last tool I created. It will be one feature of it. I'm still working on it. I expect it will be completed within the next week or the next 2 weeks maximum. Uh, so just give me any feedback you think it's gonna be it's gonna enhance the tool or add more features to it, and I'll be waiting for your comments and feedback. Thank you.